The 11.6 Switch is an ultralight, super stable, incredibly versatile, inflatable paddleboard kayak combo, and it comes as a complete package with just about everything you need to hit the water in style. With a hull that weighs just 19 pounds, it is the lightest weight hybrid kayak paddleboard on the market, and it can be equipped for one-person or two-person use. A full coverage nose-to-tail, soft and grippy traction pad opens up the entire deck for yoga, pets, kids, and just lounging around. The Switch features two new exclusive aisle innovations. The first is our AirTech Fusion Light inflatable technology. This ultra lightweight and durable drop stitch construction is 25% lighter than standard inflatable boards on the market. Our proprietary patent-pending aisle link connection system features soft yet rugged PE webbing loops that discreetly run the length of both rails and allow you to install accessories exactly where and only when you want them. So the two key accessories that turn the Switch into the ultimate sit-on-top kayak are our aisle link kayak seat and kayak foot brace. The fiberglass reinforced 18-inch high back seat provides unrivaled support, while a 4-inch inflatable seat cushion with EVA foam padding raises the paddler's hips to take pressure off the hamstrings and lower back while paddling. The seat is quick and easy to install, adjust, and remove thanks to the aisle link system. The aisle link ergonomic foot brace is perfect for bracing your feet, and this is key for engaging your core muscles for maximum efficiency while you're paddling. This complete package includes our 9-inch removable True Glide Flex Fin with tool-free installation. A hybrid 4-piece adjustable paddle effortlessly converts between paddleboard and kayak use. Our super slim 2-way high-capacity pump with gauge stores away easily, and with dual modes, it gets you inflated and on the water in minutes. The package also includes our 8-foot coil leash for safety, a repair kit, and a dry bag to store all of your small items both on and off the water. The Switch comes with a premium backpack that features rugged 600E fabric, padded back straps, marine-grade YKK zippers, a full inner liner with paddle storage compartments, and a large external zippered pocket for storing accessories. So there you have it, the 11.6 Switch. Ultralight, super stable, incredibly versatile.
Stand-up paddlers who seek the challenge of running rivers will love the NRS Quiver. We built it wide for maximum stability and gave it a lot of volume to float high and glide easily over eddy lines and boils. We've also given it extra rocker at the nose and tail to help it ride over waves and holes. The increased rocker also shortens the waterline, so the Quiver turns on a dime for making quick moves in technical water. We placed the 2 fin boxes widely so you can glide over shallow rocks. With double-layer rails and heavy-duty PVC drop-stitch construction, you can pinball down shallow and rocky rivers without worry. Inflating up to 20 psi air pressure, the Quiver delivers a super responsive, fully rigid ride. The inflatable Quiver folds up and stows in our SUP travel pack for easy transport and storage. As the sport of downriver SUP continues to evolve, we believe board design should evolve too. The Quiver is a result of years of testing and represents a big step forward in river running SUP.